Okay, for this one, to simplify it, it's best to start on the inside and put exponents of 1 for each of these terms. That sometimes is helpful. And we're going to multiply each of these exponents times 2, and each of these also times 2. The outside we'll deal with later. So we end up with 3 to the 1 times 2 is the second power, c to the 1 times 2 is the second power, and v to the 1 times 2 is the second power. Then times 2 to the second power, 2 times 1, and v to the second power. All that is raised then to the third power. Now, although at this point I could distribute the 3 to each exponent, it'll be a little bit easier if we combine like terms in there first. And we might as well put all the numbers in front also. 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4, 9 times 4 is 36. Then we have c, only one c, so it's that c squared. But in the v department, we've got a v squared here and a v squared there. V squared times v squared is v to the fourth power. Then all of this is raised to the third power. So now for the last step, put a little exponent on the 36. Some students make the mistake of multiplying 3 times 36. It's times the exponent only, not times the actual coefficient. So putting in this 1 helps to not miss out on that. So, not mess up on that. Multiplying each exponent now times 3, we end up with 36 to the 1 times 3 is to the third power, c to the 2 times 3 is to the sixth power, and v to the 4 times 3 is the 12th power. And then finally, consulting Mr. Calculator perhaps, we can figure out what 36 to the third power is. It's 46,000. 656, and that's how many c to the 6th, v to the 12ths we have here. So there it is in standard form, monomial in standard form.